Hey guys, Dave here. Welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Today we're making up some lemon chicken. Just imagine chicken baked in lemon juice with rosemary, garlic. Oh, so good. So let me show you how to do this. So I'm going to get started here with 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You could use thighs or drumsticks as well. Season it up with a good dusting of salt. I suppose about a teaspoon or 2. And of course about the same amount of ground black pepper. Now we're going to flip these over and do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty then I'm going to grab up the old pan over medium-high heat and add in about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Follow this by 4 cloves of coarsely chopped garlic. Then just stir and saute this until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. And I do suppose if you were so inclined you could add some onion in too, but I decided to skip it. Now our garlic is browned up and nicely fragrant. I'm going to go in with a 1/4 cup of cooking wine. You could also use white wine or even chicken broth. A teaspoon or 2 of freshly chopped thyme. You can use dried too. Another teaspoon of oregano. Or oregano, I don't know, tomatoes. Some lemon zest, and this is about a teaspoon or so, I guess. Just be on the careful side not to grate too deeply or it will be bitter. And we don't want that. Then just grab up that lemon and squeeze in all the juices, and I don't know about you, but I just love the smell of lemon. Now we are going to bring this to a nice soft boil. After a soft boil, what you want to do is go ahead and pour that sauce over top of the chicken. Next up, I'm going to take another lemon and cut it into slices. And you're going to say, that's a lot of lemon, Dave. Well, it is lemon chicken. Then maybe go ahead and slice it in half again. You kind of guessed it by now. Take those lemon slices and just place them over top of the chicken. You know, be creative, have some fun, and kind of play around with the placement of your lemon wedges. Now we're simply going to place this into a 400-degree Fahrenheit, 200-degree Celsius preheated oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, and we're just going to poach/bake that chicken. And done in that lemon juice, guys, this is going to be so lemony and so good. After about 35-40 minutes, our lemon chicken is done, and oh my goodness, this smells absolutely incredible. And of course, you're going to have some juices here, and it is absolutely fantastic served over rice. And there you have it, my friends, our absolutely incredible, easy lemon chicken. And you cut into this, it is just stunning. The chicken is tender, that lemon is absolutely incredible. The thyme, the garlic, oh, everything is just so wonderful. Definitely a must make, guys. So give it a try. Let us know what you think in the comments section. If you're so inclined, give us a like because it does help out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for many more recipes. We have about 13 to 1500 recipes, believe it or not. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.